Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Saurav's classes, and we were doing some NEET questions, some NEET series, NEET marathon is going on, NEET paper we are solving, and all the aspiring doctors, all the aspiring NEET aspirants, please join over here and you can learn it from here. So all those people who are aspiring to sit for NEET examination next year, you can join our classes, you will get classes from here, you will get study materials, mock test, everything is available with us, and it will be available from here, from the center itself. Okay. Now let's focus on the question, which among the following is not a prokaryote? Okay, nostoc, mycobacterium, Saccharomyces and oscillatoria. See, prokaryotes or prokaryotes is no true nucleus or no membrane found in organelles. Okay, basically. No true nucleus. No membrane. Bound organelles. Okay. And what is eukaryotes? True nucleus. Plus it's about organelles present. Now what is this question asking? Question is, which among the following is not a prokaryote? So identify which organ is not a prokaryote, that is you have to find a eukaryote one. Okay. Now let's evaluate each one. Number 1 is nostoc. A, nostoc. It is prokaryote. Now this is a type of cyanobacteria. Okay, type of which we see in blue, green algae. Blue green and features we can say no true nucleus. For features we can say no true nucleus, and it's for basically photosynthesis. It does photosynthesis, and this prokaryotic. Okay, then is what is the option over here given? It's mycobacterium. Okay, mycobacterium again prokaryotic. Mycobacterium again pro. Okay, and the type we can say bacteria. It is bacteria. For example, we can say Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay, and it is prokaryote that we have already seen. Now we have got over here is next one is Saccharomyces. This one is not. This one is not basically. This is eukaryote. And this type we generally see where do we see this? We see this in fungus. Okay, yeast. And what are the features over here? features generally found over here are true nucleus and membrane bound organelles. Okay, this is eukaryotic. Then is D is again oscillatoria, it's again pro. It's again prokaryote. Type is cyanobacteria again. And it's prokaryote. So basically, so cyanobacteria, nostoc, oscillatoria, these are all prokaryotes, and bacteria, for example, bacteria, mycobacteria, prokaryotic, fungi. Fungus is something else. Fungus is Saccharomyces, it is eukaryote. So we have to find the eukaryote, we have got one. Okay. Now all bacteria plus cyanobacteria, all kinds of bacteria plus cyanobacteria, they are prokaryotes, and all fungi are eukaryotes. Basically, you have to remember this: all bacteria, okay, all bacteria plus cyanobacteria. हर तरह की बैक्टीरिया और सियानोबैक्टीरिया ये प्रो होता है, प्रोकैरियोटिक्स होता है, और जितने भी तरह की फंगी है ना, फंगस और फंगी वटेवर, जैसे कि ईस्ट हो गया, हाँ, ये क्या होता है, ये यू होता है, मतलब यूकैरियोटिक्स. ठीक है, तो जैसे कि यहाँ पे ये आंसर हम लोगों ने निकाल लिया. अब देखो सियानोबैक्टीरिया जो है, जिसमें हम लोग नॉस्ट और ऑसिलेटोरिया भी आ जाता है, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, हम लोग पहले ही बताया कि ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गे है, बट एक्चुअली यहाँ पे हम लोग ये प्रोकैरियोट है. और सैक्रोमाइटिस जो है ये है यूनिसेल्यूलर फंगस, यूनिसेल्यूलर रहता है, यूज्ड इन फर्मेंटेशन. सैक्रोमाइसिस जो होता है ये यूनिसेल्यूलर होता है. सैक लिख के मैं बता रही हूँ, मैं पूरा नाम नहीं लिखी, ये यूनिसेल्यूलर होता है, सेल्यूलर होता है. और किस में यूज होता है, फर्मेंटेशन में यूज होता है. ठीक है, हो गया है. यहाँ पे ये वाला सवाल भी हम लोगों ने क्रैक कर लिया है, समाप्त हो गया. देखो ये नीट 2018 का सवाल है, एंड वी हैव कंप्लीटेड इट. एंड इफ यू हैव गॉट एनी डाउट, प्लीज लेट अस नो. द नंबर इज वेरी मच गिवन इन द स्क्रीन, यू कैन सी इट. लेट अस नो, जस्ट वी आर जस्ट one call away. हैव अ लवली डे, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.